Hello and good morning everyone. This is the presentation of Group 6 in our Integrative project in Earth and Life Science and Oral Communication. I am the leader, John Lawrence Celceso, together with my members, Hannah Buela, Sunshine Biron, Rhea Linya Papa, and our artist, Nicole Andres. And our assigned minerals are hematite. And today, we will be discussing what is hematite and what is it all about. But before we discuss hematite, let's call our artist, Nicole Andres, to share an interesting fact about hematite.
Thank you for that, John Lawrence de Alceso. Konnichiwa, I'm the artist of this poster, Nicole Andres, and would you mind listening to an interesting fact about hematite? Oh my, you do? Well, here's an interesting fact about hematite. Did you know that some places, especially tribes in our world, believe that hematite has healing properties and even make them into beads, rings, necklaces as a healing charm? But it has been disapproved because it may cause people to avoid going to a doctor when they have illnesses, but rather buy a hematite healing charm.
Thank you for that, Nicole Andres. Now that you have known one interesting fact about hematite, let's call Rhea Linya Papa to give an introduction about hematite.
Annyeonghaseyo, my name is Rhea Linya Papa and let me give you a brief background of what hematite is. Hematite is the most important iron ore because of its high iron content. Its name is derived from the Greek word for blood, in an allusion to its red color. Much hematite occurs in a soft, fine-grained, earthy form called red core or radel.
Thank you for that explanation. Now let's move on and discuss our observation and enumerate our answers to the great questions.
Hola! Good morning everyone. My name is Hannah Buela, and here are our answers to the question number 1. What are the physical and chemical properties of your identified mineral? Here are the lab results of the physical properties of hematite. Our identified hematite mineral has an extremely variable appearance. Its luster is non-metallic, it is red or brown in color, the measure of its hardness is 4, there are no fracture and cleavage found, its straight varies in red or brown, it is not attracted to a magnet, and it did not react to hydrochloric acid and has no discernible taste. The next one is the chemical properties of this mineral. Its chemical formula is Fe2O3 and it is classified as an oxide mineral.
Bonjour everyone, I am Shine Baron and here is our answer in question number 2. Where is it usually found? Hematite is a mineral that gives a reddish color to the soil. Primary hematite usually occur in felsic igneous rocks like syenite, granite, trachyte, and rhyolite. The majority of it occur in metasedimentary rocks like sandstone and banded iron formations. Hematite minerals are usually found in the largest mines in the world. The top iron producers in the world are China, Australia, Brazil, India, Russia, Ukraine, South Africa, and the United States, including hematite, magnetite, and other ores.
Ciao and good morning everyone. My name is John Lawrence de Alceso and here are 4 interesting facts and uses of hematite. Hematite gets its name from a Greek word meaning blood-like because of the color of its powder. Hematite is the most important iron ore in the world. Although magnetite has a higher iron content and is easier to process, hematite is the most important ore because it is more abundant and has been deposited in many parts of the world. Hematite is commonly used in producing pigments or cosmetics. It was discovered that primitive people crush hematite and mix it with a liquid to use as paints or cosmetics, back at least 40,000 years ago. Cave paintings or pictographs were created using hematite pigments. Hematite was one of the most prominent pigments throughout the Renaissance, when many painters began utilizing oils and canvas. The color of hematite was opaque and long-lasting. It might be blended with the white pigment to create a variety of pink tints used to paint flesh.
Ni hao, it's me again. We have discussed our observations and the lab results of our identified hematite mineral. Now, we are going to evaluate if the experiment's objectives are achieved in our conclusion. As the result of our study of our identified mineral, we are able to identify the physical properties of hematite. We also have classified its chemical properties, its occurrence, location, and we have laid interesting facts about hematite as well as its common uses. Hematite is one of the minerals that are abundant to the Earth's surface and in the shallow crust. It has a wide variety of other uses, but their economic significance is very small compared to the importance of iron ore.
Thank you for that, Hannah. And now, we have fully discussed hematite and what is it all about. And I also have a little quote. God sleeps in minerals, awakens in plants, walks in animals, and thinks in man, by Arthur Young. That's all, and thank you for watching.